Hi, I'm just reviewing my hire fridge freezer which I've received today, and I can honestly say that I absolutely love it. The finish is fabulous. When I ordered it, I thought black would be black. To be honest, it is like a charcoal grey, matte finish, and it is beautiful. It blends in lovely with my kitchen. I'm going to go closer now and I'm going to have a look inside. The fridge. Yes, I've stocked it already from my other fridge and it's great. I can say that the vegetable drawer here is wonderful, but the fact that I live in a rural location, I tend to stock up quite a lot in my fruit and veg. It is now full with what I've transferred from my other fridge freezer. I couldn't get any more into it. Right, that's quite normal. Now I will say I am 5'2". Now I think that the top shelf is not going to be very useful to me. I can only use the front because I can reach to the front. I don't know whether you can see my hand, but basically I can't reach to the back. I would need a step stool to get up there. So I think what I will do is invest in a step stool. The door, yes, brilliant. I've got the top at the moment quite empty. The next one down with my cheese, my butter, pastes, everything else fine. Loads of room for my milk. Now we're getting to the My Zone. Now My Zone, I wasn't sure whether that would be very useful to me. I have meat in there, bits and pieces, but I don't think that will be as useful as a lower shelf in the fridge, because I feel that I've compromised on freezer space to give me something in the fridge that I may not use as much. I will go down into the bottom. This is great. Fabulous deep drawers, which, as I say, because I live in a rural location and I stock up because I don't get out very much, the bottom one is full already. The second one is totally full, which is great. And the third one with my fish and my meat is full. Therefore, that's why I say one more for all my home makes and home bakes would have been more useful than My Zone to me in my situation. But it is a fabulous fridge freezer. The handles on the side are brilliant. There's no chance of anything coming loose or moving because they're built into the side. That's great. I love it. And the whole thing. And what I do like is you open the door, you've got the LED light at the top. It's so bright, it's like being in Blackpool. When you shut the door, you then have the LED on the front which tells you all the temperatures and everything else, which you can set yourself. It is preset at the moment, but I will eventually touch the buttons and get myself used to them. But in general, my hair fridge freezer is absolutely great, and I can honestly say that I love it. Thank you, AO.com.